Meet Bill. Bill is the VP of Projects Development and responsible for delivering E&P capital projects to specification, within budget and on time. Bill's job is a complex one and relies on a team of experienced project managers who Bill knows and trusts. Bill is currently responsible for 23 major capital projects around the globe. The projects are at varying degrees of maturity, from feasibility study to front-end engineering and design to construction phase and commissioning. Each project has its own unique contracting strategy, but Bill is unsure that every project is adequately protected from the contracting risks that may affect project cost and schedule. Let's have a look at his problem. Bill relies on his team of project managers to keep him informed of all the project's expenditure and schedule status, as well as any significant potential risks. Every project manager has a unique method of reporting the status of their project. This is often a collection of Word documents, spreadsheets and presentations that are emailed every week. A few years ago, when Bill had less than 5 projects, this approach was manageable with one assistant. However, he now has 23 projects in his portfolio, which requires a whole team just to analyse the reports he receives. After the reports are analysed, Bill's team then collate the financial and schedule data into a master spreadsheet to give Bill an overall picture of how his portfolio of projects is progressing. What started out as a simple means to produce a single progress report to assess risk across his whole project portfolio has now evolved into a huge burden on an ever-increasing administrative team. Bill has also discovered that rekeying data into the master spreadsheet from multiple sources has resulted in a growing number of data inaccuracies. This is eroding his confidence in the figures being reported. There must be a better way. Yes, smart organisations use ProCon from 8/8, a contract monitoring and management system for the oil and gas industry. ProCon uses the internet to connect multiple projects, which allows financial and schedule information to be automatically rolled up from each project into a single management dashboard. ProCon was designed from the ground up to meet the needs of oil and gas capital projects, and Bill's organisation calculates that the return on investment is rapid. Project managers are no longer required to produce and email multiple reporting documents to Bill. The cost and schedule status of every contract on their project is automatically captured in real time within ProCon. Details about potential contractual risks are entered by the appropriate contracts professional to allow planning for risk mitigation. All this critical information is automatically rolled up from each project into the management dashboard that Bill can access at any time with a standard web browser. ProCon also provides Bill the opportunity to manage by exception. He can simply drill down into any contract on any project to get more detailed information about particular overruns and overspends. Bill is now much happier. ProCon has given him complete management insight into all the projects in his project portfolio. Accurate financial and schedule reports are available at any time and use real-time data. The web-based interface means that Bill can get all the critical information he needs from any location without the need for an army of administrative assistants. Project managers are also happy because they too have access to up-to-the-minute schedule and financial reports for their project.